In the question 2.2, what we are doing is we are modifying the website made by us in the question 2.1. What we'll do is like make the malicious button with my ID as 4207724 completely invisible, which makes the attack more dangerous. If the user, let's say we'll show the user's point of view from this uh, implementation, like if the user clicks on RMIT online or anywhere near the vicinity, he or she might be transported to a totally completely different website. For achieving this, we'll make some certain changes in the CSS to the button's opacity. But yeah, first what we'll do is like verify if our Docker containers are running. Yeah, they are. And we can see the CSRF, my image, CSRF SQL, and attacker tokens. What we'll do is we'll navigate to our attacker.html file, which is present in the downloads. Oh, sorry. cv10 ls cvlab ls attacker ls, and we can see the attacker.html file, cat attacker.html. As we can see, I have made opacity here 1. What we'll do is like in order to change it, we'll make the opacity here 0. So nano attacker.html, just go there and change the opacity to 0. We'll save this by Control X. Yes, enter. And what we'll do is save this, like copy this into the Docker container. Okay, as we have received the message, it has been copied to the Docker container. Now let me verify the changes if they were made correctly. Yeah, as you can see, this is the website. If I reload it, yeah, just a sec. Yeah, as we can see, the malicious button here is gone. Now if I click anywhere near the RMIT online, it automatically takes me to the addfriend.html page. This page forces an HTTP GET request is what we will tackle in the question 2.3. But as we can see, for the victim here, nothing is visible. The iFrame and the malicious button, both are invisible. A victim visiting this website might think it's the original one, and in order to do a certain task, he might click a certain hyperlink, and this is how it he or she might get transferred. However, in this case, the button is still there. It is still functional, but it is invisible. I'll click the button position here on the page, and it takes me there. As we can see, even though the page looks completely blank in the button area, it still redirects us to the attacker.com. We can confirm the button is still there by opening a browser developer, like if I click F12, or, or let's say uh, if we just click inspect, and you know, yeah, we can see the malicious button. It's still here but the opacity is 0. But this is how we made it, and yeah, this is all for question 2.2. Thank you so much.